4th of July when Mother Nature is providing her own fireworks ahead of schedule.
Check out this video of the lightning seen across the sky in Billings, Montana as storms moved in yesterday. More storms are in the forecast for the area throughout the week. Yeah, they had an early 4th of July, it looks like.
Yes, that is quite the show and something fun to watch.
Yeah, it is. It's always neat to watch that lightning from a distance.
Yeah, and as you guys were talking about, you and Brian earlier, you know, it storms quite a bit around the 4th of July.
Oh, I know. I mean, very active time of year, a lot of humidity in the atmosphere. We tried to scour that out yesterday. And the one thing I noticed yesterday with, video like that reminded me, once the storm passed Sioux Falls, I went out and checked how much rain fell in the rain gauge, and it was just constant thunder, just rolling thunder as I was out there. Kind of cool. I thought it was kind of cool.
It was angry. Mother Nature was angry with you.
With me?
Yeah.
I think me too then, because it was a very dark day yesterday.
Yeah. Seemed like it was. And you know what? Today will be a brighter day.
Good.
Start with some cloud cover, but the clouds will go away.
That's a good face you just made.
We'll have some sunshine.